What's up, world? How everybody out there doing? Your boy Frost back in the building. Nashan with there. Yo, I'm so lit. I can't believe. How was everybody weekend? I can't even cut off my intro. How's everybody? I hope everybody is doing well out there. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time tuning in, welcome. I hope you enjoy all our shenanigans, all our vlogs. But let me get into it. Why I'm so excited today. Yo, Art Basel in Miami 22 was epic. Not lie. Yo, the thing ton up. Oh my god. Let me tell you why. First of all, we went down there to the street. cause troublemaker. You see what happens when you're good youth and you're humble and you just mind your business. But anyway, so by the time the security guard them come in and then push out all of them people there, whatever you want to call it, and I was outside of my body because I don't know how I ended up directly next to her speaking with Shenseea. Yo, it was, oh my god, it was epic. Nah, I'm not gonna front. Teeth them white, look so pretty in real life. Oh man, the diamonds was like, yeah, she was glitzy. She looked gorgeous. She looked gorgeous. So anyway, so I spoke to her, you know, gave her a little salutations, you know, and I'm like, yo, you're the first video that I informed her. Excuse me, slow down. But it's like, yo, you're the first video that I posted on my YouTube. Like, I started my YouTube channel with your album, and she was like so gracious and big smile. She was like, hey, give me some big high five, lion paw. She got my hand, and I'm like, yo, I can't believe this shit is ripening. Little frost from far out. I said, bombard me. We can meet up with the big artists. So yeah, so we there linked up, and you know, that's like, you know, if you had an opportunity, because she just reached still. So I'm like, oh, if we get a chance for, you know, that photo up, you know, but I love the opportunity. She said, yeah man, everything good man. We just, you know. So I'm thinking it's gonna be later on in the night. Anyway, so I walk back to my 2 steps to my drink, to my side where my camera and stuff is. Not too far from my, I'm still in the same side section, excuse me. So as me turn, who that I pulled my shirt, I pulled me towards her. No, Shenseea, pull me shirt, my yo, jump back, pull me back. I said, yo, come. She said, like, Bridget, for come. Take my camera, take my phone. Come, we're gonna take a picture. We took the picture. So, homie took the picture. Although homie was supposed to take more than one picture. I mean, I understand. Oh, you can see even a fan with an artist gets a chance to meet. You know, take just one picture. Suppose that one picture they blurry, and you know how the thing go. Some people now gonna believe say you're there nice same place. So you want a nice clean picture. Take 3 picture minimum. Not even the pose them have to change. Just make sure say yeah, click. Anyway, took a nice picture. You know what I'm saying? She smelled mad good, y'all. Nah. Alright, that's a side note. Yo, so we take a picture and then we just go down with the party. You know, it was just an honor just being able to chill in the section. Our crew had the whole big bar with Casamigos and all that. I never drink Casamigos. First of all, I'm a ganja man, I don't drink. So Casamigos have frost me off. I mean, that's a blow. We out there, we are sing tune, and we and our friend, I don't remember my friend, excuse me, my friend, if you're watching this, I'm sorry I ain't catch your name, but Shenseea friend side away, and then Shenseea the side her, and then we this a rock, and then our bedroom on the other side. I want security umbrella, keep it low on our back. And it was cool. Yeah, it was get a little crowded because everybody wanted to be a part of the excitement. every camera was on our section. Like, it's like everybody eyes. I'm there by myself in the beginning, and I'm videoing. I'm trying to just showcase some of the scenes you're gonna see, some of the B-roll scenes you're seeing now.
No girl can't see me as tell them this. Me say no girl can't see me as a problem. They my clothes so me walk on them. Run that one in a man DJ. Rise and toast, big up myself. Thank you guys for coming out. No girl can't see me as a problem. They my man clothes so me walk on them. Me no love chat, me no want them. Tell them this a real Shenseea and them. No girl.
And she is so humble and nice and kind, and I'm not gonna act like she had the diva hat on. She was very pleasant and nice. She was enjoying herself, and I enjoy myself even more because it was a unique experience, you know. Not like being a their own artist from time to time, you know. So that's it. But artists where you rate to our level, you know, sometimes they hit you different. So everyone has their special artist. I like Shenseea, I do. You know, I'm not going front. I endorsed her from Looney, like I said. So it was an honor to get a chance to meet her, and knowing that she's familiar to our stomping grounds. To keep missing, you know, it sucks. But now that she's up there, it got even harder. And just now that she's a superstar, to stumble right there in the same section where I'm able to meet and correspond and speak with her. That was crazy, much less take a picture with her and stuff. Anyway, let me stop fanning out. So we there chilling, you know, whole night, everything, you know, let people come through, we drinking, we vibing, we networking. I got other people from a music video I did with Aisha Barrett and Mad Cabra. Some people was coming over and, you know, they was doing over, just mingling. It was fun, it was nice, I'm not gonna lie, it was definitely a memorable night. Art Basel 2022 at Rise and Toast was a movie. The place was ran, beautiful people, and then towards the end of the night, what capped it off? Skillibeng in the building. I mean, nobody else like here. There's a video and I'm watching a pretty place. I mean, I said, wait, Skillibeng stand upside of me, right? That's all to the right of me. My home girl, she had to tell me, I said, wait him there. He said, he's right there. I said, oh, shucks.
Is it? Yeah, man, we got Miami. We got all people from Miami. Hello. We got Shenseea in my place. Fire this singing a boss head. Yeah. And she got to dance special. We got all people from Follow. This is singing. You are the pretty girl there. The pretty girl there. The girl over pretty second.
So Skilly was in our section chilling and get to chat to lyrics and Ray. Big up him for them trophy because you know Skillibeng run the mobile awards. So me and my friend, we was just like big up on the trophy and you know we get the boom off fist and ratings and we did our smoke and you see me I enjoy the party. We tried to black out some crazy fan because yo, there's one girl that tried to pull off on him hand and she's like, yes baby, hi, and wave after, but she's like, she couldn't take that and go on. She has still persist. She tried to squeeze through me and the owner for the club to come stand up on the couch to try to get to Skilly. And I can't tell, so that kind of like got him perturbed. And then after that, we got her out the section and he was just ready to cut. But Skilly was chilling, he was enjoying himself, you know what I'm saying? Shim and Sheng Yang, we was all just there just vibing. There was a bunch of people. I saw Gallus in Paris was in there as well. A couple of other people. But that's my experience. All I care about it was just me and Shenseea. Me not see nobody else there. If I know, me and Sheng Yang did a party and two speaker. Yo! This is definitely one for the books. I'm sorry y'all got me, see me a little bit out of character, but it was fun. I had fun. I don't know how long I'm gonna live this one down, but I look forward to interacting again. Hopefully our paths cross again sooner than later. Very, very much so looking forward to that because I had some things that I should have said that I didn't say. You know, you always think about that one moment, you know, and be like, what if you met one of your persons that you rate, you know, and you'd be like, next you know, you say some foolishness. But it's all good, it's all good. They said I got a familiar face, so hopefully she recognized me. I'm gonna blast the pictures. They're gonna be on my IG stories, my reels, gonna be on the YouTube shorts. I ain't front. Look at old me and Shenseea. That's the far right. Skillibeng, you know. I don't know. Big up yourself in general. Anyway, that's enough for story time. I'm glad I was there. I'm glad I stayed. I'm glad I listened to my gut and I ain't go home. I got to meet one of the persons that I rate. I got some footage. I got some content. Oh, y'all enjoyed it. It's not a performance. She just basically was doing an appearance, and Skillibeng made an appearance as well. That's enough for the story. Everybody was kind of happy as far as my family. As far as in my world, it's still the talk of the talk. But all my sisters, they all talking about it, excited. I was, yo, then was the thing, I'm madman in I carry. You see me in that traffic, I'm like, yo, I can't believe it. Anyway, sorry y'all, I'm gonna get back to my cool and dapper self. You know, don't worry yourself, man. It's just an experience. But again, I just want to share with y'all the new subscribers, new viewers. Do the things. I'm gonna talk to y'all again later. Alright, peace. Girl can't see me and cause problem.
One destiny.